No, ma'am, no
No.
difficult.
No difficulty. Okay, so we'll go for the next question. Read the question, Ashi.
Three numbers are in ratio 3.4.5 and the LCM is 2400. Find their HCF.
Okay, so the question is saying that there are three numbers and the three numbers are in the ratio of 3 ratio 4 ratio 5. What is their LCM? Their LCM is 2500. We have to find their HCF. So try to solve this, everyone, these questions, then I will explain again. Try to solve this
Ma'am, got the
question.
answer.
Mom got the
Explain.
answer.
Got the answer very quickly.
Ma'am, got the answer.
Got the answer. GTA, everyone keeps on writing. Okay.
Ma'am, I just see the question and got the answer.
Was you saw the question and the moment you got the answer. Okay. So I'm creating a 60 seconds poll here. Okay. And then we will provide the answers. Solve it. There are ratio is given 3 ratio 4 ratio 5. And what you have to find? You have to find a LCM is also given. You have to find a HCF. Okay. We have to find a HCF. If for anyone beta the poll is not visible, you can answer in the chat as well. Okay. Aditya, Sneha, Aryan, and Viswajit have provided the answer. Okay. So, Aditya, how have you done this question?
What, ma'am?
How did you solve the question?
My teacher said that we can just simply multiply the ratio that is given and we will write as upon LCM. So answer will come as 40.
Okay, good. That was the correct way. Okay, and who else has answered it correctly? Aryan has and Viswajit have answered it correctly. How did Aryan do it? Yes,
Divided by
Aryan?
LCM.
Divided by LCM. Okay, so first thing we can do is, let me explain the question. What we can do in this question, what is the ratio given? 3 ratio 4 ratio 5. What is the ratio given? 3 ratio 4 ratio 5. So first of all, we will take the LCM of ratio. What would be the LCM of 3 ratio 4 ratio 5, everyone? What will be the LCM here?
Ma'am,
LCM
60.
of 60. Very good. LCM would be 60. Okay, now we have to find out the numbers. What we have to find out? We have to find out the numbers over here. So have a look. We will assume what is the number. These three numbers are in the ratio of 3, 4 and 5. So we will assume that what are the numbers? The numbers are 3x, 4x and 5x. We will assume the actual numbers are 3x, 4x and 5x. And what is their ratio? Their ratio is LCM is 60. So that can be, we can write it as 60s. Till this point it is clear to everyone. Now, what is their LCM? Their LCM is 60x. 60x is equal to what? 60x is equal to LCM. Another LCM is given to us. What is that LCM? 2400. So we will equate this. What we need to find? We need to find the value of x. X will be our common factor here. So what will be the value of x? X will be 2400 upon 60. Zeros cancel. X we are left with 40. Okay, so x is our HCF. Okay, what is x? X is our HCF. So in a simplified way, if we have to tell this, I can say that whenever a ratio is given to you, आपको LCM provided है, what else you need to find? You need to find HCF. तो आप क्या करोगे? You will multiply the ratio and you will divide it by LCM. What are you going to get? You are going to get HCF. What are you going to get? You are going to get HCF. Okay. Yes. Good morning, Aradhi. So for those
Ma'am,
of
I
you,
done this way only.
you have done this way only. Yes, that's the correct way. For those of you this question is not clear, please raise your hands. If this question is not clear, you can raise your hands. Okay, for Srishti, Kushal, Rituraj, Vaishnavi, Hasini, Ashni, Ashi, Ustat, and Taisha. Okay, let's have a look. So I'm explaining it again. In a question, and what is given to us in a question here? Have a look. Only two things are provided to us. What are these two things? These two things are the ratio of the numbers. Numbers नहीं provided है. क्या given है हमको? Ratio of the numbers and LCM is given to us. So you can take it as a formula that in such condition जहाँ पे आपको क्या provided है? You are provided with the ratio. You are provided with the LCM, and what you have to find? You have to find out the HCF. So what are you going to do? HCF will be equal to LCM upon product of ratios. What it will be equal to? It will be equal to LCM upon product of ratios. What is the value of LCM? Kushal, what is the value of LCM? Daksh, what is the value? What is the value of LCM in the question? Anyone? Vaishnavi? 2400.
2400.
2400. What will be the product of ratio? 3 into
60.
4 into 5. That would be 60. So we have to do 2400 upon 60. What will be our answer? Our answer will be 40. And 40 is what? 40 is the value of HCF. What is 40? 40 will be the value of HCF. Clear to everyone? How can we do these kinds of questions? So whenever a ratio is given, you have LCM is given, you have to find HCF. We will multiply that and we will divide the product of LCM by the product of ratios. Now clear to everyone?
Ma'am, I have a confusion in that after
Yes.
in the divide, how did their 640 come?
How did okay, you will divide 2400 by 60, Ustad. Do it. What will be the answer? Do it.
Clear, ma'am.
Solve it yourself. Zeros will get cancelled. 6 4s are 24 and 0. The quotient we will get, the answer we will get will be 40. Clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Clear. Okay, good. Okay, so then we will go for the next question. Next question is again find LCM of 15, 24, 32 and 45. 15, 24, 32 and 45. Find the LCM of them. Solve it and then we will create a poll, okay?
Got the answer.
Got the answer. Okay, good.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, please let ma'am 2 minutes.
Do it, Yashita, do it. Solve it and then we'll create a poll. Done, everyone?
No, ma'am, please wait. Ma'am, please wait.
Do it quickly. Now done, Yashita and everyone? Got
Yes,
the
ma'am,
answer?
done. No, ma'am.
Okay, done. Mark your answers now. Got the answer, Bhargav. Okay. We have to find the LCM of 15, 24, 32 and 45. If the poll is not visible, you can answer in the chat box as well. But provide your answers. See, okay. Om, Prajay, Shresht. Good. First is Maitreya. Second, Punashri. And third we have is Khushi. Okay. Correct, Ritesh.
Ma'am, my answer came at last and I just clicked there by mistakenly, but my answer was C.
Your answer
My
was C
answer
only.
was C, but by mistake.
Okay. So basically what we had to do, we simply had to find the LCM here. This way we would have done it. 15, 24, 32 and 45. This method that we follow for common division that you can use, and we will get the LCM. Okay. Anyone having difficulties in this question, please raise your hands. So we will discuss it. Otherwise, we'll go to the next question. Yes, Ashi? Ashi, how to do this? Yes, and okay, let me tell you how it will come. First up, देखो smallest जो prime number है, from that you are going to try to divide it. So we have 2, 15. Okay, here what will come? 12, then 16. Then we are left with 45 here. Again, we can take 2. It would be 15, 6, 8 and 45 here. Next, again you can take 2, 15, 3, 4 and 45. Yet again 2, 15, 3, 2, 45. This way you will keep on dividing it. What it will come? 1, 45. This way you will keep on doing it. Okay. Next you will divide by 3. Then you will divide by 5. जो भी आपके prime factors आएंगे ना Ashi, we will multiply them. What we are going to get? We will get the answer. Now clear, Ashi? How can we do this?
Okay, ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, Vaishnavi.
Ma'am, in this question, ma'am, you have started with 2. I have started it by, ma'am, 5, but my answer is correct.
Yes, because at the end, have a look. Why this happened, Vaishnavi and everyone, that I are started with 2, Vaishnavi started with 5, but why our answer is same? Because what at the end we are doing? At the end, all we are doing is multiplication. Here I'll proceed again. Once again, what it will come? 5, 1, 1, 15. Again, I'll go with 3. This way, when I'll do at the end, I have to do multiplication only. Okay, so multiplication, either you can do 5 into 2 or you can do 2 into 5. Vaishnavi, answer will remain unchanged. Okay, clear?
Okay, ma'am, clear now.
Okay, and Niyati,
I also started with 5.
you also started with 5. That is correct. There is no harm in that. Okay, Niyati.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, was my voice audible?
No, it was not audible earlier. Now it is audible. Okay.
Ma'am, cannot understand.
Beta, you have to take the LCM, Niyati. You got this process by common division prime factorization method. You can take the LCM 15, 24, 32, and 45. You can start dividing by 2, then again by 2. This way, have a look. Is this clear? We'll take its LCM. जो भी आपके prime factors आएंगे, that you will multiply, and your resultant answer would be 1440. Okay, Niyati?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so we will go with the next question. Next question is question number 4, a simple question. Find the LCM of 14 and 18. What will be the LCM of 14 and 18? So I think we will not read much time for this. So we will create a poll and then we will start it. Okay, go ahead everyone. Solve the question and mark your answer. Find the answer of 14 and 18. And we will see who answered it first this time. Chats are also enabled, so you can answer there as well. Okay. It for second Mansarat, very good Mansarat. Third Aryan, then good. 31 have students have answered correctly. So Vatsal, Purnashri, Arika, Sakshi, Kushi, Yuvraj, Shresht, Bhargav. What happened?
Excuse me.
Yes, Neha.
Answer A.
Answer is A. You marked it mistakenly. Okay, that's okay, Neha. Okay, you marked it correctly.
Excuse me.
Okay, so how can we do it? We have to find the LCM of 14 and 18. 14 and 18. Have a look, Ashi. I'm explaining the process. 2 sevens are 14. It will be 2. Nines are 18. Then you can go with 3. This would be 7. 3 threes are 9. 3, 7, 1 and 7. So we have to do it. You will multiply it. Okay, 3 twos are 6. 6 threes are 18. 18 into 7 would be how much here? Try to do it. 6, 5 carried over here. Okay. 126. So right answer for the question will be option A, 126. Clear everyone? We will go with the next question now. Question number 5. Find
Excuse
LCM
me,
of
ma'am.
9, 12 and 18. Yes, Niyati?
Ma'am, my answer came in the last few seconds. That's why I could not answer in the poll.
Okay. Vinaya, can you question? No difficulties. You can speak, Vinayak. आपने hand raise किया है ना, कोई difficulty है तो आप पूछ सकते हो, ठीक है? Okay. So, okay. So, next question. Question number 5. Find LCM of 9, 12 and 18.
Ma'am, got the answer.
Got the answer?
Ma'am, got the answer.
Good. So, we will create a poll.
Sir.
Okay. Go ahead. Mark your answers. You have to find the LCM of 9, 12 and 18. If the poll is not visible, you can also answer in the chat. Okay, today we are streaming on LiveTube as well. So, B. Rituraj, Vaibhavi, Ritesh, Om. Okay. B. Okay. So we'll see who answered it first. Okay. Okay, so Aditya answered first, second Maitreya, third is Rizwan, rest of the ranks also I'm seeing. So fourth is Priyavats, fifth Anushka, sixth Tarika, seven Aradhya, eight Aryan, nine Shrishti, and 10 we have is Purnashri. Good. So we have to find a LCM of 9, 12 and 18. So while finding the LCM of 9, 12 and 18, Shresht, Sakshi and Sai Harni, you have marked A. Srushti, Ustad, Biswajit, Darshita, Ritesh and Shresht. Shresht is joined by 2 ID Shresht. And you have marked C. After this, Vatsal have marked A. And some of you have
Ma'am,
in the chat box.
ma'am, by mistake, I clicked C, ma'am.
Okay, Ritesh. So it will be 9, 12 and 18. What it will be? It will be 9, 12 and 18. You will start by taking LCM. 9, 6, 9, 9, 3, 9. Then you can go with the 3. 3 3s are 9, 1 and 3. Then again it would be 3. So 2 2s are 4. 4 3s are 12. 12 3s are 36. So answer for the question will come out to be option B, 36. Question number 6. The product of two numbers is 48. Their sum is 90. What are the numbers? Yes. Solve this question. The product of the two numbers is 48. This we have done in the classes as well. Okay. Their sum is 19. So what are going to be the numbers?
Got it.
Got the answer?
Ma'am, got the answer.
Got the answer.
Ma'am, got it, answer.
Okay. We'll create a poll. Whose microphone is on?
मैम की आवाज नहीं आ रही प्रोडक्ट ऑफ टू नंबर इज 40
I can see the microphone on it. Please turn it off. correct answer. Whose microphone is on? Oh, can you see whose microphone is on? First is Maitreya, second Priyavats, third is Aradhi. Good. Correct, Pranjay. See,
Ma'am, you are
is not dancing.
in YouTube.
We are streaming there as well. Okay. So let's see here. How to do this? So this question can be done by using the hit and trial method as I told in the classes as well. What is the question saying? The product of two numbers is 48. What is their sum? Their sum is 19. We have to find the numbers. So first check the numbers given in the option. Jinka sum 19 hai. What is the sum of 3 and 9? The sum of 3 and 9 is 12. So this is not the right answer. Sum of 18 and 9 is also not going to be 19. This is also not the right answer. Sum of 15 and 4 is 19 and sum of 16 and 3 is 19. So these two can be our answers. Next you will do is, you will try to take the product. 15 4s are 60. 16 3s are 48. Right? Got it? So here have a look. What is the product that we got? The product we got is 48 and also the sum of 16 plus 3 is 19. So right answer for the question will be option D, 3 and 16. The right answer will be option D, everyone. 3 and 16. Okay. No one's microphone is on, but
Ma'am,
yes, Niyati.
ma'am, I just simply multiplied all of them.
You simply multiplied all of them. Okay. So then only 16 got the answer. That is also correct, very Niyati. Okay. Yes. Arad says
Ma'am, I cannot send yesterday that two doubts. Can I send in this class?
this class, or you send on the WhatsApp. Okay. After the class, I'll make sure to put it up in between the breaks. तो हम उसको doubts में फिर next class में देंगे. ठीक है? Okay.
Ma'am, is there also class in the evening?
There won't be class in the evening. Today
Ma'am,
we have morning classes. Okay?
excuse me.
Yes, one by one. Vaishnavi, then Kushal. Yes, Vaishnavi.
Ma'am, I have sent my doubts to you
We got it.
when the class, ma'am, this class started. So, ma'am, please include that doubts
Yes,
also.
we will include that as well. Okay. And Kushal.
Ma'am, can I ask a question?
Hmm.
Ma'am, I have another doubt.
Yes, send them on the WhatsApp. In the next class, we will discuss it. Okay. Okay. Niyati.
Ma'am, I have sent it to you like
Yes.
5 minutes before 7 o'clock.
So they were also included. Don't worry. Okay. Next question is find the LCM of 24 and 32. Find the LCM of 24 and 32. Question number 7. Okay. So we are creating a poll. These are very basic questions. So you will be able to do them quickly. Find the LCM of 24 and 32. Go ahead.
Ma'am, just a minute, I am writing question.
Solve it. Find the LCM of.
Ma'am, the poll.
Yes, I'm creating the poll as well.
Writing question.
Solve it. Find the LCM of.
The poll.
Yes, I'm creating the poll as well.
Ma'am, got the answer.
Got the answer?
Yes, ma'am. The video is off.
Yes, now it is on.
Well,
Ma'am, create the poll. Yes,
Create the
ma'am.
poll.
Ma'am, got the answer. Create the poll.
Okay. First Bhargav, second Aditya, and third Anushka. What
Ma'am,
would have been the right
excuse me.
answer? Yes,
Ma'am,
Rashita. What?
ma'am, last calculation, ma'am, from the first I have done, ma'am, two was it, ma'am, by mistakenly I have done my first calculation wrong. That's why my answer came wrong.
That's why I also got wrong. Okay.
But next
So,
time, then I do.
hmm. So this way we can do it. It would be 3, 2, 2, 3, and it would be again 1 and 3. So you will calculate it, and upon multiplying, we will get the LCM. So we'll multiply 2 into 2, 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32. Okay, 32 into 3 would be 96. So right answer will be option D, 96. 96 is the LCM for this question. Question number 8, find the LCM of 12, 24 and 60, 360, 120, 180 and 240. Go ahead everyone. I'm creating the poll. Find the LCM of...
Please wait. Ma'am, please wait.
Ma'am, please wait. Ma'am, please wait.
Okay, first Mansarat, second Vatsal, and third is Sakshi. So we had to calculate the LCM of 12, 24 and 60. What will be our right answer? LCM for 12, 24. Beta, keep your microphones off. 60, 2, 6 are 12, 24, 30, 2. Here it will come 3, 6, 1 and 5. Again, we'll go with 2, 3, 3, 15, 3, 1, 1, 5, and then we will have 5. So then we will multiply this factors. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 24. 24 into 5 would be 120. What will be the answer? Our answer for the question will be option B, 120. So right answer we will mark it option B, 120. Next question is question number 9. Find the least number which is exactly divisible by 36 and 45. What is the least number which is exactly divisible by 36 and 45? Go ahead everyone. Solve the question.
Don't create the poll. Wait.
The least number
Got
that
that.
is exactly divisible by 36 and 45. Question number 9 this is.
I'm got.
For next class, Kushal, you'll have to send them on the WhatsApp, okay? So that they will be combined in a PPT or PDF and we will be able
Yes,
to...
ma'am, got the class.
Got the answer?
Yes, ma'am, got. Ma'am, when is the class?
Okay, so we'll create a poll for the next question, that is B.
Excuse.
Go ahead. Next class, Rushti will commence after the break and there is still time in that. Okay? What will be the answer? The least number that is exactly divisible by 36 and 45. What is given in the question? The question is saying least. What is the question saying? The question is saying least. Okay. And when we say least, so basically we have to find a LCM. So solve it, everyone. First is answer provided by Maitreya. Second, Aditya. Third is good, Aradhya. So what will be the answer for this question? The
Answer
least
is
number,
B1.
microphones off. The least number that is divisible by 36 and 45. We are going to take the LCM of 36 and 45. Dekhiye, what is question asking? Least. Whenever in a question the words such as least, lowest, they are given. What we have to find? We basically have to find LCM. What we have to find? We basically have to find LCM. So what it will become? 2 you will do. Next we will have 2 nines are 18, then here it will be 45, 3 threes are 9, the 15, then again it would be 3, 1 and 5, and then it would be 5. So 2 twos are 4, 12, 36, 36 into 5. So this way we will do. The answer will come out to be 180. This is our answer for the
Excuse
question.
me, ma'am.
Yes, Bhargav.
Ma'am, in LCM you have taken ma'am 3 and ma'am 45, ma'am. How it is coming, ma'am? 3 and 15.
How it is coming 3 and 15, Bhargav? Have a look over here. 3 threes are 9, okay? If we will do expand this step, 9 and 45. We know, whatever your microphone is, Bhargav, it will be 3 threes are 9, okay? And then we will divide 45 by 3. So what will be our answer? 3 ones are 3. It will come 15. So 3 fives are 15. This way it would be 3 and 15. Okay, Bhargav?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, but my LCM is smaller than you, but my answer is same. Ma'am,
Okay,
what
आपने
would be a
नहीं किया होगा. You must have taken 5 first. That way you could have done. Okay. Okay.
ma'am?
Raise your hands before speaking. Vaishnavi?
Ma'am, every time when I'm taking the LCM, ma'am, extra 3 is coming, and ma'am, when I'm multiplying it, so ma'am, the answer is coming which is not in the option.
Because of that extra 3. So what you will do is, Vaishnavi, after the class you will send me the picture of your solution. How have you calculated the LCM for this very same question? Okay. Then in the next class I'll help you with that. And next we have Arika.
Yes,
Yes, Arika.
ma'am. मैम इसमें 5 9 या 45 नहीं हो सकता
5 9 से 45 भी कर सकते हो आप. So in that case आपको क्या करना पड़ता? You would have to take 5 here. Okay, that way also we can do the multiplication.
Yes,
The
ma'am.
answer is same. Okay, the answer will come same, beta. Okay,
Ma'am,
next is
ma'am, my trick is another, but my answer came that only.
your answer came that only. Then it's okay. Okay, you can apply that method also, and the answer will be same. Next question, question number 10. Find the least number which when divided by 12, 16, 18 will leave in each case remainder 5. Go ahead, solve it, everyone. We are creating a
Ma'am,
poll. You have to take, I'm giving a hint. Find the least number. Once again, what is the question saying? The question is saying we have to find the least number. Okay, least again, what we have to find? LCM, which will divide 12, 14, and 12, 16, and 18. So, first, what you will do, you will take the LCM of 12, 16, and 18, and then you have to find that will leave remainder of 5 in each case. So, you can add plus 5 there. Okay, you can add plus 5 there. So, we will create a poll here.
What the answer, ma'am?
You told the answer.
Go ahead, mark your answers. You can also answer in the chat if the poll is not getting visible. You can also answer in the chat. Okay. Vatsal, Om, Darshita for second heard. Then Maitreya, Aditya, Srishti, Aradhya, Arya. Yes.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, my answer came on the last second.
Raise your hands before speaking. Anyone you have to say anything, raise your hands. Ritesh.
ma'am, in the last second, ma'am, the poll was visible. So, ma'am, by mistakenly, I clicked on D.
Okay. Niyati.
My answer came 144, so I clicked the nearest one, 149. So the answer was
Ma'am,
correct.
my answer was also coming 144 only.
So 144 was correct only. Okay. Now the thing is, how can we proceed next with this question? Arika.
Ma'am, may I tell how I did? Ma'am,
No, only raise your hands if you have doubt. Aradhya.
I have no doubt for telling this.
Okay, you have solved it correctly. Good, Aradhya. And Kushal.
Ma'am, my answer came at the last second, so I was not able to answer. My answer is C149.
Okay. Shreshti.
Ma'am, I explained.
Okay, so I am explaining this question to everyone. Now, जिनको भी difficulties है, जिन्होंने भी incorrectly mark किया, so you will be able to have a look here. So,
Ma'am, your camera is off, ma'am, and I am not, ma'am, given any answer.
no, beta, my camera is not off, Bhargav. Okay, so
Ma'am, it
have
was
a look.
off, ma'am.
Now have a look here. We have to find the LCM of 12 and 16. So question is saying us to identify the least number by which when we divide 12 and 16 and 18, what will the answer come? The remainder will be 5 in each case. So we will take the LCM. 2, 9 is 18. 9 will stay here like that. It will become 2, 3, 2, 9. It will be 2, 3, 1, 9. Then further when we will proceed it here, what will the answer become? 3, 1, 9. Okay, so it would be 3, 1's a 3, 1, 3, 3's a 9, and again 3. So 2 2's a 4, everyone. 4 2's a 8, 8 2's a 16, 16 threes are, and then when you will do answer, the final LCM that you are going to get is for all this sum 144. Okay, what is the final LCM that we will get? The final LCM that we are going to get is 144. But what is the thing here? The question is saying us that we have to find such a number that will leave a remainder of 5. That will leave the remainder of 5. Now, in order to get the remainder of 5, we need to add 5 in the LCM. What we need to do? We need to do plus 5 in the LCM. Only then we will get the remainder of 5. Okay. So what will the answer become? Answer will become 144 plus 5. That would be 149. So right answer for the question will be option C, 149. Clear? So this way we can get the answer. The right answer will be option C, 149. Next, you will create the poll for next question. Once again, it is a similar question. You will be able to do it very nicely. The question is saying we have to find the least number, which is when divided by 98 and 105. We'll leave what? We'll leave 10 as a remainder in each case. It will leave 10 as a remainder in each case. So go ahead, everyone. First, you will find the LCM. Then you will add 10 in the LCM and we will get our answer. So first thing you will do is proceed with calculating the LCM for this question. First we will do it, we will proceed with calculating the LCM for this question. What will be the LCM? LCM for 98 and 105. If poll is not visible for everyone, you can answer in the chat box, okay? First is Om, second Hasini, and third is Aradhya. Good. Koshal is fourth, fifth Aryan, sixth Niyati, seventh Aditya, eighth Darshita, ninth Srishti, and tenth Chitransh. Very good. So how we will do this question? In this question, have a look. We have to find again the least number. Anywhere least is the term used. क्या find करना है? We have to find the LCM. Find the least number. Find the LCM, which when divided by 98 and 105 will leave sorry 10 as the remainder in each case. It will leave 10 as the remainder in each case. So now step by step, what are we going to do? We have to find the LCM of 98 and 105. So get started. What will be the LCM of 98 and 105, everyone? So calculate it. So what was the LCM that you encountered for 98 and 105? What was the LCM of 98 and 105? Very good. Shresht, Om, Anushka. Correct. The LCM is 1470. What is the LCM? The LCM is 1470. Now what we are going to do? We will add the remainder in this. What we will add? We will add the remainder in this. So we will do plus 10. What will happen? The answer will come out to be 1480. Why we are adding the remainder in this? The only reason to add the remainder in this is because we have to find the least number. The number which when divided by 98 and by 105 will leave 10 as the remainder. So when we will divide 1470, the LCM by 98 and 105, it will leave no remainder. So we will add 10 in it. So it will leave a remainder of 10. If anyone has difficulties in this question, please raise your hands. Yes, Ashi, you can speak.
Ma'am, how can the remainder is 10?
That is given to us in the question. That the question has asked us that the remainder has to be 10, okay? That is provided in the question only. So from there we got to know it and we added it, okay? Clear now?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, anyone else having difficulty here? Please raise your hands. Okay, no difficulties. Okay, so next we will go with the next question. Question number 12. Find the HCF of 84 and 105. Find the HCF of 84 and 105. This class, Rituraj, will continue till 10 o'clock. We don't have a break today. Okay. Find the HCF of 84 and 105. Calculate the HCF of 84 and 105. Okay, as we are streaming this class on the YouTube as well, so Arnav has answered, Akshata has answered, Preeti has answered, Anil has answered. Good. Your answers are correct as well, okay? Chats are also enabled, everyone. There also you can provide the answer. Good, everyone. The poll is almost ended and be okay. Quickly, 10 seconds left. Provide your answers, then we will check who answered it first. Yes, Akshata, the answers are correct. Okay, so first answer is provided by Abhinav, second answer is provided by Maitreya, and third answer is provided by Priyavats. Fourth we have is Vatsal, fifth Om, sixth Vinayak, seventh Aryan, eighth Shresht, ninth Niyati, and tenth we have got is Praj. Okay, so let us have a look over here. So we have to find the HCF of 84 and 105. For this one, we are going to use the division method. What we will use the division method for the question. Among 84 and 105, which is the bigger number? 105. Here will come 84. So it will become 84, 1 is 84. What we are left with? We are left with 21. Then 84 again. 84. So it will become 21 fours are 84. 0. So our HCF will be 21. What is our HCF? The HCF value of HCF is 21. So right answer for the question is question B, option B, 21. If anyone has difficulty there, please raise your hands. Yes, Aradhya? You can speak, Aradhya. Now it's enabled.
Ma'am, for 2 minutes the network issue is there, so I have left in the class, so I can't even attempt this.
Question. Okay, that's okay. Okay, every rest of others, this question is clear. This was very simple indeed. Okay. Next question is the find the greatest number which divides 18 and 30 completely. Now, once again, what we have used is greatest. What have we used? We have used greatest. Greatest means we have to find a HCF. The question is not saying us to directly find HCF, but it has used the word greatest. So that means we have to find a HCF. So get started, everyone. We'll create a poll for this. I think 60 seconds are enough. Provide your answers within the 60 seconds, and then we will see who answered it first, second, and third. Chats are also enabled, everyone. You can answer there as well. Okay, first is Om, second Maitreya, third is Arika, fourth Abhinav, fifth Shresht, sixth Vatsal, seven Yashita, eight Aditya, nine Chitransh, and tenth we have is Mansirat. Okay, good. So let's get started here. How we have done this question. So we have to find basically greatest number which divides 18 and 30 completely. So we have to find a HCF. What we have to find? HCF. Greatest word use हुआ है. So once again we will use common division method. 18. 1s are 18. 30 minus 18 would be how much? 10 minus 8 would be 2. 2 minus 1 would be 12. Here will come 18. 12 ones are 12. What is left? 6. Then again we will use 12. So it will become 6 2s are 12. The remainders will be 0. And this way we will get the HCF to be 6. What will be the value of HCF? The value of HCF will be 6. So right answer will be option B, 6. Clear, everyone? Next question is, if anyone has difficulties here, please raise your hands. In this question, I have lowered everyone's hand. If anyone has difficulty, please raise your hands and give me a moment. I'll plug in the charger. By the time you people solve the next question. Okay, got the answer everyone? The least number which when divided by 24 and 36 leaves a remainder. In each case the same 8. So we will create a poll for the question. Okay. Your microphone, yes Niyati. Yes Niyati, go ahead. Any doubt?
I think again there was an error because it was showing the first, second, and third place 0.66. I don't know. There was a large number of decimal.
Was a large number instead of that, yes. Okay. So it's okay. We'll still get the ranks. Okay, so go ahead, mark your answers. After the poll, Prajay will take your doubt, okay? What is the least number which when divided by 24 and 36 will give 8 as remainder in each case? Vinayak has provided 80. Okay, Vinayak. Okay, first is Aditya, second is Aradhya, third Anushka, fourth Sakshi, fifth Abhinav, sixth Priyavat, seventh Darshita, eighth Yashita, nine Yuvraj, and 10th is Maitreya. Pranjay, 80 is correct. Good. Correct is that 80. For everyone who has answered 80, 80 is the correct answer. We have to find the least number which when divided by 24 and 36. Once again, the question is saying least. Least means we have to find what? We have to find a LCM. What we have to find? We have to find a LCM. So LCM of 24 and 36. What is the value of LCM for 24 and 36? What will be the answer? LCM 72. Very good, Abhinav. The LCM would be what? The LCM would be 72. What is going to be the LCM? LCM is 72. What do we need? We need such a number that will leave the remainder 8. So once again, what we will do? We will add 8. We will do plus 8. So 72 plus 8 would be 80. So the right answer for the question will be option C, 80. Okay, it will become option C, 80. Everyone, this question is clear. If anyone has any doubt, please raise your hands. Yes, Prajay, you can speak. Your microphone is enabled now.
I have a doubt in 13th question.
The 13th question, yes, here we go. Yes,
Ma'am,
Prajay.
we have another way to do that, ma'am.
Yes, the other way you can use prime factorization method or by writing the factors, identifying the common highest factor. That is also the correct method to do that, Prajay. You did it that way?
No, yes, ma'am, I did that way, ma'am.
That is also correct way. Okay, this is one method, the common division method that we have, but your method is also correct, Prajay. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, Biswajit. Your answer is coming 116. Yes, Biswajit. Okay, what was the value of LCM that you got, Biswajit? The value of LCM that you got? 110. No. Okay, so there's the mistake that happened. Okay, so we will start with the LCM first. So first take the LCM of 24 and 36. What will you do first? First you will take the LCM of 24 and 36, Biswajit. What will be the LCM of 24 and 36? Have a look. Here onwards, like we have started, 24 and 36. 2, 1, 2, 1, 8. Again, you can take 2, 6, 9, 3, 9. And then we can go ahead with 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. Again, it would be 3, so it would be 1 and 1. 2 twos are 4. 4 twos are 8. 8 threes are 24. Okay, this way you will do, and 24 into 3 multiplied. 2 3 4s are 12. 1 would be carried here. 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7. What will be the value of LCM, Biswajit? The value of LCM is 72. When in the 72 you will add remainder 8, what will be the answer? The answer will become 80. What will the answer become? The answer will become 80. Okay. Yes, yes. Just raise your hand once, Rizwan. Just once. Okay, so clear to everyone. Next question is question number 15. An inspector of school wants to distribute 140 balls and 84 bats equally among certain number of boys. Find the greatest number of boys receiving the things in this way. Go ahead, find the greatest number of boys who are receiving the things in this way. What is the question saying? What is the word used? Greatest. What we have to find? We have to find HCF. Okay, we have to find a HCF. So we will create a poll here and then you will mark your answers. Okay, HCF we have to find. Yes. Go ahead. We have launched the poll and then we will check the answers. Chats are also enabled, everyone. There also we can answer. First is Hasni, second Sakshi, third Aryan, fourth Om, fifth Darshita, sixth Shresht, seventh Sudhanshu, eighth Swaroop, nine Rizwan, and 10 we have is Ruturaj. B everyone has answered and B is the correct answer. Look, we have to find the greatest word is used, no? So we have to find HCF. What is going to be the HCF of 84 and 140? It would be 1. 10 minus 4 would be 6. Okay, after this, here it will become 3. So 10, 56, 84, 1. This way we will do 56. What is going to be our remainder? Then this would be, yes, 7 minus 5 to 24. Okay, so this way when you will solve it, the answer, sorry, this would be 28. The answer will come out to be 28 by 56. So answer will come out to be option B, 28. Clear to everyone? If anyone is having difficulty here, you can raise your hands. This is like a word problem from LCM and HCF, but they are simple. Okay. Yes, Vaibhavi?
I can share, send with the question number in
Yes,
the
Vaibhavi.
WhatsApp.
In the WhatsApp you can send, but I cannot assure you कि next class में हम try करेंगे most इसको solve करने का. You send me the questions, okay? Aradhya. Yes, Aradhya. No.
Mama, I can't hear.
You can't understand. Have a look. The question is saying there is an inspector in the school, okay, and he wants to distribute 140 balls and how many bats? 84 bats to certain number of boys, okay, and he wants to distribute them equally. What is the word important here? Equally. So we have to find the greatest number of boys who in which scheme can receive the articles, okay. So greatest is written here, right? What is written? Greatest. That means what we have to find? Just the HCF. So we will find HCF of 84 and 140. What will our answer come? Our answer will come out to be 28. What will be our answer? Our answer will be 28. Look here, we calculated, okay? So all we have to do, Aradhya, is calculate the HCF, okay? Okay. Next question after this, question number 16. Find the smallest number which when divided by 35 and 70 leaves a remainder 12. In each case, this is again the very same kind of question. Question number 16. Find the LCM first of all of 35 and 70. Okay. Then add 12 in that. So we will get the answer. Find the LCM of 35 and 70. Got the answer? Okay. Got the answer. Okay. So we will create a poll. Okay. Okay, everyone. So I'm creating the poll and there we will provide our answers. Go ahead. Mark your answers. Chats are also enabled, everyone. There also you can answer and make sure to answer in the chat because I think I have marked incorrectly in the poll, okay? So we provide your answers in the chat as well. I did. Okay, so right answer for the question is everyone C option, okay? So for the C option, we will take the ranks. जो आपके ranks आए हैं, they are incorrect. For C options, we will take the rank. First Sakshi, second Rizwan, third Vatsal, fourth Aradhya, fifth Abhinav, sixth Maitreya, seventh Chitranj, eighth Yuvraj, ninth Arika, and 10th is Samar. So have a look. What will be the answer for this question? The answer for the question will be 82. What will be the answer for the question? 82. Why 82 is going to be the answer? Have a look here. What happened? Why 82 will be the answer? Smallest number, take the LCM of 35 and 70. Definitely, what will be the LCM of 35 and 70? LCM of 35 and 70 would be 70 only. LCM of 35 and 70 would be 70 only. Then we will take the remainder and what we will do that? We will add the remainder. We will do plus 12. So 70 plus 12 will become 82. So right answer for the question will be option C, 82. Okay. If any one of you has difficulty in the question, please raise your hand. In the poll, it was incorrectly marked. The right answer is option C, 82. Yes, Yashita?
Ma'am, I have clicked 82, but it was saying that 82 is wrong.
Yes, in the poll, it was marked incorrectly. The right answer is but 82. Vaibhavi?
My answer is correct.
Oh, what was your answer, Vaibhavi? What have you marked? You have marked. Yes, that's correct. You have marked 82 only. That is correct, Vaibhavi. Shresht. No difficulties. Okay. We'll go with the next question then. Question number 17. 3 bells tolls at intervals of 3 seconds, 4 seconds and 5 seconds beginning together. After how many seconds they will again toll together? 40 seconds, 60 seconds, 30 seconds and 45 seconds. 3 bells are tolling at an interval of 3 seconds, 4 seconds and 5 seconds. So at one interval, these 3 bells started to toll together. Okay? After this, first bell is tolling after every 3 seconds, fourth bell is tolling after every 4 seconds, fifth bell is tolling after, third bell is tolling after every 5th second. So we have to find the next interval after which they will toll together. So first let me know, before telling got the answer on GTA, first let me know what you have to find. Do you have to find LCM or whether you have to find HCF in the question? LCM, very good. Om answered first, then Shresh, very good. We have to find the LCM. So get started. We will create a poll and mark your answers there. Okay, if we look in the YouTube chat, so here Arnav has answered correctly. Roshni has also answered correctly. Sanju, Upari, very good. Your answers are correct also. Chats are also enabled. There also you can answer everyone, okay? Okay, we will look at the ranks. The first is Sakshi, second Vatsal, third Aditya, fourth Daksh, fifth Maitreya, sixth Darshita, seven Aradhya, eight Arika, nine Abhinav, 10th is Priyovats. Good everyone. So Khushi, you had difficulty in the question you have not answered. Anyone having difficulty, please raise your hands. A lot of students have difficulty. So first I'll explain the question, then we will take your doubts, okay? So 3 bells toll together, as I said. So तीनों bells क्या कर रहे हैं? The 3 bells started to ring together, and after that, the first bell is ringing after every 3 seconds, okay? The second bell is ringing after every 4 seconds, and the fifth bell is ringing after every how many seconds? Third bell, sorry, is ringing after every 5 seconds. So we have to find the next interval after which they will toll together. So what we will take? LCM. We will be finding it with the help of LCM. 3, 4 and 5. This we will do. Take LCM. Okay. One more thing you can check here is that all of them are what? All of them are basically 3 and 5 are prime numbers. 4 is a composite number. The only common factor between 3, 4 and 5. The only common factor they have is what? The only common factor they have is 1. So what can be their LCM? 3 into 4 into 5. So that will be our answer. 5 4s are 20. 20 into 3, 60. So answer will be 60 seconds. Right answer will be option A, 60 seconds. So this we can mark, and the correct answer will be option B, 60 seconds. Clear to everyone? Now, those of you whose doubts are clear, you can lower down your hands, and those who have doubts, please raise your hands again. Okay, Shrishti 2. Yes. Shrishti 2, you can speak.
Ma'am, we done this question in previous class.
Yes, we have done this in the class. Arika?
Yes, ma'am. Oral test कब होगा?
Oral test भी होगा आपका in the next class. Okay. Summer.
7.
Yes, Summer. Repeat again. Yes.
मैम ये प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन है एंड मैम आप ओरल टेस्ट के मार्क्स कब भेजोगे लास्ट वाले और
This we will tell. Ask for some of students. Oral test is left that we will do today. Then we will send the marks. And yes, this is a previous year question. Okay. So the questions of bells. This is the kind of very favorite questions of examiners. So they keep on asking such kind of questions. Oh. Yes, Om. Okay. Prajay?
Ma'am,
Yes.
you did not ask that the opposite alphabets, ma'am.
Alphabets we didn't took for the oral test. We took only 3 things, squares and the rest of the things from GK. Okay, alphabets we didn't took opposite alphabets. That will be for the next Saturday. Okay, Prajay. Chitransh? Yes, Chitransh.
सी वाला कर दिया.
गलती से आपने C मार्क कर दिया. नहीं, so C will not be the right answer. Right answer is B. Clear, Chitransh?
मैम मेरा आंसर बी ही आया था.
अच्छा, B आया था आपका आंसर. My mistake. You have marked C. Okay, Chitransh. Yuvraj?
Ma'am, do we have studied opposite alphabets?
In the coding decoding, we have. In the coding decoding. Okay. Srushti?
Ma'am, these 3, 4, and 5, so many questions have came like this.
Yes, there are so many questions like this. Okay.
These questions are easy.
All you have to do is find LCM.
Ma'am, you had taken my name yesterday, but you had taken
I was
else
unable
name.
to hear your voice. I was unable to hear your voice. So that we will continue today. Yes, after this we'll have a break. Don't worry. Summer.
No ma'am, no doubt.
No doubts. Okay. And last we have Shreshti.
मैम
Yes.
मैम ओ जेके के बुक में फर्स्ट इंडिया है वो लेसन नहीं है.
That we have discussed in the class, no, Srishti? So that from that you have to take the notes in the class. Okay? Because usme
Okay,
current
ma'am.
affairs का भी कुछ portion था. So for that you have to take the notes in class. Okay, everyone. So next you will do is question number 18. Find a number which is a perfect, which is divisible by 6 and 9 and is a perfect square. Go ahead, solve the question. This question is easy. This is very easy. You will be able to do it orally without any kind of calculations. Mark your answers. I have created the poll as well. Okay. Okay, Om has joined on the here as well and on YouTube as well. Om. Okay, Om. Sorry. Okay, mark your answers, everyone. This is a easy question comparatively. Khushi has also joined in both the places. Okay, Khushi. For question number 18, every one of you is making a mistake. Okay, Akshata, Anshuman, Khushi, all of you here are making a mistake. Okay, we will be back at the classroom here. Maitre answered first, second Aditya, third Vatsal, fourth Rizwan, fifth Purnashri, sixth Aryan, seventh Aradhya, eighth Kushal, 9 Om, and 10th is Srishti. So, what is the mistake that everyone almost has made in the question? Daksh, Darshita, Niyati, Yashita, Sakshi, Sarvagnya, Chitranch, everyone made the very same mistake. What is the mistake? The mistake is of not reading the question. Okay? The mistake is of not reading the question. So this is called being happy. ठीक है थोड़ा सा क्वेश्चन हमने पढ़ लिया we got to know that we know the answer and we became very happy. So I think most of you read the question till here. Find a number which is divisible by 6 and 9. Didn't you? You read the question till here. Find a number that is divisible by 6 and 9. What is given after that? That this number also has to be a perfect square. Isn't it? This number also has to be a perfect square. So 18 is divisible by 6 and 9. Correct. Okay. 36 is divisible by 6 and 9. 64 and 42 we are not talking about. So both these numbers are divisible by 6 and 9. But the question is that 18 is not a perfect square. 18 is not a perfect square. But 36 is a perfect square. What is a perfect square? 36 is a perfect square. It is a perfect square of 6. A square of 6 is 36. 36 is divisible by 9. 36 is divisible by 6 and it is also a perfect square. So the most simple looking questions can be the most hardest questions, okay? Because we are careful with the questions that look difficult, but we are never careful with the questions that look simpler at the surface. So in this question, if we are having a goal of 300 out of 300 in the Sainik school, that was our goal, no? We discussed in the previous class, target 300. So this kind of mistakes that we have made, these are called as silly mistakes. Okay, because if we knew that 18 can be divided by 6 and 9, so we also knew 36 can be divided by 6 and 9. But what we didn't understood was that we had to find a perfect square here, and 18 is not a perfect square. Okay, now clear? I wrote target 30. Sorry for that, Sarvagnya. It's target 300. Target 300 out of 300 marks in Sainik School entrance exam. Okay. Yes. So clear to everyone now this question? Anyone having difficulties here? I've lowered everyone's hand. Please raise your hands. Niyati.
I really did click the option C, but it was showing option A, and then it was option A but I have clicked option C.
Is not clear.
Ma'am, please
My voice
for the
Yashita? Yes, Yashita?
Ma'am, by mistakenly, ma'am, by mistakenly, it was wrong.
Okay, okay. Ashi?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, 36 is ma'am. I have a doubt in question, ma'am. 19. Sorry, ma'am. 18. No, ma'am. 18.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, 36 a square of 6, but not the square of 9.
Yeah, so it never said us to find the square of 9. The question sent us to find the perfect squares. What are perfect squares? Perfect squares are such numbers that are the square of any natural number, okay? Perfect square are such numbers that are square of any natural number. 36 is a perfect square, 49 is a perfect square, 64 is a perfect square. All of them are a perfect square, okay? Clear, Rashi?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so now everyone, we will take a break after this. So take a break of 10 minutes. We will initiate the next class, and then afterwards, in the next class, we will be discussing about doubts. Okay, so take a break in the next class. Next class will commence at 9:50, and there we will discuss about doubts. We will take the doubts of everyone. Yes, Purnashri?
Ma'am, will you send the marks of oral test?
The rest of students it is left. So first we will do that. After that, I'll tell. Okay, Purnashri? Aditya? Aradhya? Whose microphone is on, everyone? Give me a minute. This is the 19th question. Yes, there you go. Chitransh, this is the 19th question. Yes, Chitransh.
Ma'am, okay. Bye, ma'am.
Okay, bye, Chitransh. Okay, everyone. So then we'll sum up the class. Bye, Vinayak, Chitransh, Rishti, Sarvagnya. For some of the students of our offline classes who have joined, आप लोग directly 11 o'clock पे offline class join कर सकते हो. It's okay because next class will be doubt class, so you're allowed to skip that class. Okay. So bye, everyone. Next we will meet after the next class that will start at 9:50. Okay. So bye, everyone. Nice day. And this class we will sum up. For the students we have on. Okay. Okay, everyone. Yes, Tanushri, Khushi, my screen is paused. Okay. So the maths class that we have with our live class students. Okay, the app class ke saath hi this class was combined for today on YouTube. So this class is ended now. Next class we are going to have will be at 4 p.m. As informed yesterday, that would be a current affair and GK class. Okay, that is going to be a current affair plus GK class. So on YouTube, we will meet again at 4 o'clock where we will be discussing the current affairs and GK. Okay. Okay. Tanushri, Khushi, 9:50. You provided the answer for the question. Okay. Okay. So clear to everyone. So we will be summing up the class. Next class, everyone, we will have at 4 p.m. on YouTube where we will be discussing current affairs and GK. Okay, so bye everyone. Yes, you are Meenal. I know you, Meenal. You were there yesterday only. Okay, so bye. Have a nice day, everyone, and we'll meet again at 4 o'clock.